Hello guys, welcome to another short vlog. So today we're leaving Barcelona and we're flying to Vienna. And then my mom will come for us and we're gonna go with the car to Nitra, Slovakia. Also, this is a great opportunity to show you the facts about animal agriculture industry and its impact on the environment. So I hope you get something useful out of this video. As we're flying over still snow-covered Europe in the early spring. All the facts are from Cowspiracy website, properly referenced by scientific studies. Animal agriculture is responsible for 18% of greenhouse gas emissions, more than the combined exhaust from all transportation. Livestock and their byproducts account for at least 32,000 million tons of carbon dioxide per year, or 51% of all worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. Cows produce 150 billion gallons of methane per day. Methane has a global warming potential 86 times that of CO2 on a 20-year time frame. US methane emissions from livestock and natural gas are nearly equal. Reducing methane emissions would create tangible benefits almost immediately. Livestock is responsible for 65% of all human-related emissions of nitrous oxide, a greenhouse gas with 296 times the global warming potential of carbon dioxide, and which stays in the atmosphere for 150 years. Emissions from agriculture projected to increase 80% by 2050. Even without fossil fuels, we will exceed our 565 gigaton CO2 limit by 2030, all from raising animals. Animal agriculture water consumption ranges from 34 to 76 trillion gallons annually, compared to fracking water usage ranging from 70 to 140 billion gallons annually. 2,500 gallons of water are needed to produce 1 pound of beef. 1,000 gallons of water are required to produce 1 gallon of milk. Almost 900 gallons of water are needed to produce 1 pound of cheese, and 477 gallons of water are required to produce 1 pound of eggs. Growing feed crops for livestock consumes 56% of water in the US, and only 5% of water consumed in the US is by private homes. Animal agriculture is responsible for 20 to 33% of all freshwater consumption in the world today. Now let's get to the really scary part, the land usage and deforestation, which people can see with their own eyes, especially from the plane. Livestock or livestock feed occupies 1/3 of the Earth's ice-free land. Let me repeat that again. 1/3 of the Earth's ice-free land is used for animal agriculture. That's just insane. Livestock covers 45% of the Earth's total land. It's like half of the land is used for animal agriculture. And people still would choose to eat meat and dairy. Fucked up. Nearly half of the contiguous US is devoted to animal agriculture. There you go, that's a fact, you can check it out. 2 to 5 acres of land are used per cow. 1/3 of the planet is desertified, with livestock as the leading driver. Animal agriculture is the leading cause of species extinction, ocean dead zones, water pollution, and habitat destruction. Livestock operations on land have created more than 500 nitrogen-flooded dead zones around the world in our oceans. Every minute, 7 million pounds of excrement are produced by animals raised for food in the US. A farm with 2.5 dairy cows produces the same amount of waste as a city of 411,000 people. 100 times more animal waste than human waste is produced in the US. 1.4 billion tons from the meat industry annually. 5 tons of animal waste is produced per person in the US. Animal Animal agriculture is responsible for up to 91% of Amazon destruction. 91%. 1 to 2 acres of rainforest are cleared every second. The leading causes of rainforest destructions are livestock and feed crops. 136 million rainforest acres cleared for animal agriculture. 1,100 land activists have been killed in Brazil in the past 20 years. Three-quarters of the world's fisheries are exploited or depleted. We could see fishless oceans by 2048. 90 to 100 million tons of fish are pulled from oceans each year, which is around 2.7 trillion animals. For every pound of fish caught, up to 5 pounds of unintended marine species are caught and discarded as bykill. As many as 40%, 63 billion pounds of fish caught globally every year, are discarded. Scientists estimate as many as 650,000 whales, dolphins and seals are killed every year by fishing vessels. 40 to 50 million sharks killed in fishing lines and nets.